To this now, the lawyers for 10 ex-uMkhonto Sizwe Party members have described the actions of former President Jacob Zuma as dictatorial. And now the group wants the Western Cape High Court to set aside a decision by the party to cancel their membership and remove them from Parliament. They argue that the party's actions are unconstitutional and cannot go unchallenged. Malungelo Booi reports.
The legal battle between the ex-10 uMkhonto Sizwe members and their former leaders has exposed the chaos that characterized the party's candidate list of the National Assembly and provincial legislatures. Through their lawyer, the ex-members have described the cancellation of their party membership as unconstitutional. They say the decision has also robbed them of an income, as they've also been removed as members of the National Assembly.
He cannot do this, and the reason why he cannot do this is the harm that the carnage that he's leaving behind of members of the MK party. He admits to having ended their membership of the party and the National Assembly abruptly, without following any procedure. And the toll that will take on their families, they quit their jobs to become members of the National Assembly. And the court to say, no, slow down and stop. Get a democratic system in your party in place that protects the rights of not just the group of 10, not just the dependents, but all the people that have voted for the MK party, expecting that they would adhere to the principles of just administrative action, the dignity of the people involved, the children that are affected. All of them are no consequence at all to Mr. Zuma. So just that is the message, if we grant the relief.
They want the court to set aside the decision to cancel their MK party membership and also for their National Assembly positions not to be filled until the case has been finalized.
There were serious political and security reasons for the decision, the finer details of which need not detain the court. Suffice to say that the space we operate is highly competitive, susceptible to infiltration and even politically motivated violence, which must be avoided and prevented at all costs. That is paragraph 7.7 of the answering affidavit. My lady, those are the words of a dictator who says that there may be problems in governing this party democratically.
But uMkhonto Sizwe Party has hit back, saying the ex-members were informed about the termination of their membership and the reasons for this.
Milady, what we have is, and if it is so that the 2nd and 10th respondents have indeed given authority for the launching of the application, we have applicants before your ladyship who are trying to retain benefits that they were not entitled to in the first place by the time that they were sworn in, because their membership had already been terminated. Milady, this application was launched on the 20th of August, yes, following correspondence from the Speaker. But the termination of their membership had occurred 2 months prior.
Judgment has been reserved on the matter. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Malungelo Booi in Cape Town.